How to fix hair split ends. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of castor, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 egg. Procedure: mix the eggs with a tablespoon of castor oil and a tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply mixture to your scalp and hair and cover hair with a shower cup. Do this about 2 times in a week for effective results. Eggs are known to promote healthy hair growth. It contains a lot of protein, making hair soft and shiny. Health benefits of coconut oil. Coconut oil prevents high cholesterol and blood pressure levels. It consists of medium-chain triglycerides and hence are used as a quick source of energy. This has a powerful effect on the brain. This oil can kill harmful microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses and fungi, which prevents infections. Fatty acids in coconut oil helps in appetite reduction, which as a result aids in weight loss. It also acts as a skin moisturizer and protects hair damage. Health benefits of castor oil. Castor oil is known to fight hair loss, stimulate hair growth and cure scalp infections. Castor oil contains omega-6 and ricinoleic acid. Ricinoleic acid accelerates blood circulation to the scalp and increases the growth of hair. This magic oil also has anti-inflammatory, antifungal and antibacterial properties which aids in the treatment of weak and damaged hair. Castor oil has traditionally been used for the treatment of acne, skin, and hair loss. Furthermore, its antifungal and antibacterial properties makes it fight dandruff and folliculitis. How to fix hair split ends. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of castor,